How to view YouTube watch history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your YouTube watch history step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, you can simply scroll down and there you can see the history. So here just beside the history, you simply have to tap on view all button, and here after that, on the next page, you will see a list of all the videos that you have watched recently. Now from here you can scroll to view older videos, or if you like you can even tap on the search bar and type any videos to find a specific video in your history. And that's it. That's how you can view your YouTube watch history easily. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.